Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic how to update data into database MySQL in PHP. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is how to update data from MySQL database into PHP. So suppose this is my first page which is known as view data view.php. My second page is edit.php. Third is in which I have written the coding, that is update.php, and after that the final result of view data will be updated here in the view.php. After this is the HTML form being created already. In between this we have created a design of a form. In between this we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 fields here. Suppose I have to edit my second field. Here is written the edit anchor. So when I used to edit my second performance, so it will go to the edit page. So only the second number ID will be displayed here, which would be like in this form. Suppose here is my ID and here is my name. So I want to edit my name here and I want to write some name here. So I will go to the update page and start the coding, that is into PHP, tag start and close. In between this I will write my coding. After that, going to this page, the coding will be edited and the view will be like this. Suppose in ID, that is my second number. In ID I want 3 and in name I want my name, that is Rupal. So it will be the final conclusion, that is view from edit. In edit we can do the edit with the help of .php. The syntax is update, after that table name, after that set, in which I will pass the ID which I want to set. Suppose I want to edit my name, so I will write name is equals to in single quotes. So I want to write name as AB. After that where, it supposed my ID which is number 2. So here I will write ID where my ID is 2 into single quotes and then semicolon. So this is the syntax to update the data from the MySQL database into PHP. So now we'll discuss about the example how to update the data from my database into PHP. Suppose I will write my first of all PHP tag start and PHP tag close. In between this we will take the connection. For connection we need 4 fields, that is server name, my localhost, username, that is root, password is empty, and after that my database name, that is DB, ABC, that is my database name. After that we will put this into the variables. First is $server, second is $user, third is $password, that is PWS, and after that $DB. So we have taken these fields. Now we will take the connection. For building the connection I will write here my SQL I-connect. In between this I will pass my all the variables value. Suppose first is server, second is user, third is password, that is PWS, and fourth is DB. After that semicolon we will put this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $connection, that is $call. After that we need a table to update. So we will write update. After update my table name, suppose my table name was table AB. After that I want to set my name is equals to in single quotes name is AB. After that where I want to set the ID is equals to the ID name is 2 into a single quote and then semicolon. So we will get this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $SQL. After that we will go to the if statement. that is a conditional statement. In between this, I am asking that generate MySQL I query. In between this, I will join the two variables, that is $connection and $SQL. $connection, that is $UNN, and $SQL, SQL. After that, curly braces start and over, in which I will pass echo. In echo, I want that my message should be printed, that is data updated. After that, if my data has not been updated, then else statement, curly braces start and over. In between this, echo. If I have done any wrong coding, so it should be displayed as error. So in this way, we can use update SQLi command into database to use the update format into PHP. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.